This is the new YETI Ranchero 1 liter crossbody bag, and overall I am very impressed with this bag. Now you can wear this in two different ways. You can wear this like a hip bag, you can wear it like a bum bag. I like wearing them like a crossbody bag as you see it here, but it's just really easy to adjust with the buckle here and a strap at the back. The strap holds tight in a little elastic closure so nothing's going to be jangling around. That's the front of the bag, the large YETI logo on the back of the bag. As you can see, it has a buckle here. That's where you're going to adjust everything. Now you can see it has this handle up at the top, which I really like as well, because it's just easy to move the bag around. You don't have to just kind of grip it awkwardly. You can just hold onto this handle if you want. And as you see, it has this large YETI logo with like a Velcro patch at the front here. This is really my one complaint about the bag. I just wish it was a little bit more subtle here. Even if it was just black and said YETI rather than in this, it looks almost like a reflective kind of a silver color. But the nice thing is this is a Velcro patch, so if you don't like this, I went and bought myself a couple little patches from Amazon here. I just replaced that. We've got the fun meter turned up to the absolute max, so it is nice that it's just so easy to hide the logo if you want, because if that's a deal breaker for you, you can just get any kind of a patch, just get a plain black patch, and you can cover that if you want, or maybe you want to just show the logo. This is meant to be a more durable option. As you can see on the bottom, this is a water-resistant, abrasion-resistant fabric down here. It's almost like a plasticized sort of thing. Feels smooth. It doesn't feel like it's going to hang up on your fingers or anything like that. Then this feels like a nylon here. Again, really good materials used here. It feels very well made. One of the things I just love about this is it has a magnetic closure. So no zipper on the front here, and what that means is you can use it one-handed. If you want to get your phone out, just like that, magnetic closure opens up, grab your phone out, and it closes like that. Use it two hands just as easy. But these are very strong magnets. Like, I was really concerned, is the magnet going to be enough? But it's just like, now that I know, you yank it open. Like, if you just kind of pull it, you're like, is this... It really stays closed, and then it holds open. You can kind of fold it down a little bit if you're trying to load stuff in here, but a very nice feature, that magnetic closure on there. I like this because it feels like it is rugged enough that you can take this hiking, fishing, doing outdoor activities, anything like that, but it's still stylish enough so you can just use it on an everyday basis. So I have this thing fully loaded up, and what I'm gonna do, I have everything in here. I'm gonna load out every single thing that's in this bag here so you can see just exactly what you can fit in a 1 liter bag, and I'll just walk you through everything as I take it out. So we have our wallet, we have sunglasses, we have a phone. This is an iPhone 17 Pro Max, just for size reference there. We have our keys in these pouches. We have AirPods, titanium toothpick with a case, little portable blood alcohol tester, which is just a fun thing to have, honestly. Have chapstick, we have a little multi-tool, we have a little flashlight, we have a small lighter. This is really cool. If you've never seen one of these, this is a really cool piece of gear. It's a waterproof lighter, and it just sits in there like that. Look at that. It's kind of like a Zippo almost, but just way more cool. We have another lighter in here. I didn't realize I had two in there. And in this section, we have napkins, we have a wet wipe, we have a small notebook, have our phone stand, and then I know there's a little lens cleaning wipe, and we got one more thing. That is a little portable pen, a little fold-out pen. And as you see, that's quite a bit of stuff. Like, obviously your carry-out is going to vary, but that is a ton of stuff that you can fit in this 1 liter bag. So let me just show you inside now. Open that. See, it's strong magnets, I'm telling you. So that is the primary pocket. So you're seeing you have a large main pocket. That's where my phone, sunglasses, wallet, all that kind of stuff goes. There is a key leash right here. Now you can take this key leash out if you don't want it in there. And there's actually 2 loops, one on each side. You can see there, just kind of hiding right in the bottom corner on each one. So you can put this key leash on the other side, or you can put a carabiner on the other side. So you have 2 options on that. And then you have these 2 pockets. And these pockets both have an elastic up top here, so that's easy. You can just stretch it. It can fit more stuff. But again, really high quality materials in here. Like, they feel tough, but they're soft. And then here you have this large zippered pocket at the back. So that's what you're gonna wanna use to store things like if you have your passport, maybe you wanna put your money in there. And one thing I love about this is it has zippers. It's a 2-way zipper. So you can go like that, or you can go like that. So whichever way is more convenient, you're not searching for the zipper ever. It has these little plasticized ties on the zipper as well, which makes it really easy to grab. But the zipper's extremely good. Like sometimes they're a little bit jankety at first, you know, but this thing is just absolutely no problem at all. And then you can see up top the logo. This is the Ranchero 1 liter. Now, one of the things I like about this bag, as you see, I'm putting it on and off over my head here, but if you don't want to do that, because of this buckle where you adjust it, you can just go like this, and then you can take the bag off like this. So sometimes that's more convenient. Maybe you have a hat on, or you're wearing a jacket or something like that. It's more inconvenient to take it off over your head. Now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna load everything back in here, so you can watch me do that, see exactly what's going to fit in here, and then I'm gonna tell you about who I think this bag is best suited for. So who I think this bag is best suited for, I think this is an everyday carry kind of a bag. Use this for traveling, use this when you're out sightseeing, just walking around town. I would say festivals, events, if you're on a short hike or something like that, I think this is gonna be adequate, not for a longer hike where you need 6 liters of water and in a tent or something like that, but for just a shorter hike, you can fit absolutely a ton of stuff in here. This is just a general purpose everyday use kind of a bag, and I think the 1 liter size is going to be adequate for the majority of people who want to use it like this. This 1 liter bag, it's not trying to replace a backpack, it's not for carrying a lot of camera gear, and for me that's part of the appeal, because this is just the perfect size that you're not going to notice it. It's not going to be an onerous thing to take with you. You're never going to feel like you have way too much stuff, or it sits 35% full, 65% empty. Another thing that's great about this is the organization is what makes it actually useful. If this was just a large 1 liter capacity without the zippered section, without the 2 pockets, without this large front section, it wouldn't be nearly as useful, but having all these little organizers makes it way more useful. Now, just for reference sake here, I have this little micro bottle of water here. This is 200 milliliters, and as you see, that's still going to fit in there and close up. Now, I did try a can in here. A can didn't fit. You weren't able to close it up. But as you can see, you can fit a small 200 milliliter bottle of water in here and still close it up. So my overall verdict on this, I'm very happy with this crossbody bag. I'll take my special patch off for now. I think you get a great capacity in here. 1 liter is perfect for most people, but also because of the organization that you get inside of this, it just makes it so much more useful, and you can fit so much more stuff in here than you might think at first glance. It does feel premium. It does feel like you get what you pay for. This one here cost me 125 Canadian dollars. There was free shipping on that as well. And honestly, it feels worth every penny. It feels like you're buying a rugged, premium crossbody bag with great materials, great organization. Overall, I am super happy with this, and I think I made a really good choice to replace my current crossbody bag. So that's the YETI Ranchero crossbody bag in the 1 liter size in the black color, but I am gonna slap my little fun meter badge on here, and we're gonna turn that all the way up to 11.